The gun-type fission weapon is arguably the most simplistic nuclear weapon design. Taking two subcritical pieces of uranium-235 and rapidly bringing them together to form a supercritical mass. On the end opposite to where the final critical assembly will form, you have a conventional high explosive that, upon detonation, drives both a steel projectile backing and a tungsten carbide disc, along with a series of secured uranium-235 rings down the length of the barrel to where it will strike a series of polonium-beryllium initiators. These initiators are crucial, as they will provide a burst of neutrons to be fired into the now fully assembled uranium mass to begin the fission process.